span. We'll connect to that accord frame. You have 2 more spans, then it's over.
This one, another one.
Yes, once we do this one, then they'll connect that other last one. And they are doing I see the other.
So this one is the last one.
After this one, then where they have the appointment will be the last.
This one is already there, right?
They have already come out. So once they finish this one, launch the over. These are the main ones.
Done 2 already here.
We have done 2 over there.
Okay.
Now, by this week, we are preparing the 3rd one, number 9.
Okay.
So after this one, remain 2, and the thing will be finished. This one, next week it will be done.
At least I can see a lot of improvement.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Thank you.
You are beginning to be serious now.
For me, I am happy when you are happy. Believe me.
Yeah, we were here about should be a month or 2 months ago to follow up on what the commitment of the company, RAFOL, and we decided to visit them again today to see what they've been able to do, and I can say that we're really impressed. You know, the most critical part of this project is the bridge. If you have a video of what we saw then compared to what we already have on ground now, it shows they are really doing everything to make sure that the project is completed within the time. They promised that it will be delivered in the next 3 months, and I believe so. At the other side of the road, they're already doing a lot because those ones are normal roads. So road work is not a problem. Where we have issue is the bridge. And you can even see we couldn't access it when we're coming here because you can see that the part of the road too has also been fixed. Well, you see, for us, we'll continue to do our best for our dear state. We were elected into this office for us to deliver. I believe that doing what you're elected for is not doing something strange. It's carrying out your duty. It's our duty to work for our people, and we'll continue to do that. And I also feel it shouldn't always be bad news. If it's not Fubara associate this, Fubara associate that, people should see the good part of our state and promote the image of our state. Whatever we're doing, whoever is sponsoring, whatever, they're not doing it to the person of Fubara. They are using it to run down the state economically. No sound mind, serious investor will be hearing all these stories and feel comfortable coming here. So we'll try our best to continue to project the good side of our dear state.